Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. Thanks to my subscribers, you guys are so amazing. So I'm going to talk today about my crochet braids, how I installed it. I also have a little clip on how I installed it, and I'll talk about the hair. I actually purchased it from AliExpress maybe sometime in February, and I've installed it about 3 times. But the name of the seller, I think it's called YX Cherise. I'll put their details down below. So it is Senegalese twist crochet braids, and this is what it looks like. It comes in this pack. I'm just bring out one, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty straightforward. It's very easy to use. In one bundle or one pack, you get about 16 braids, which is great. And I purchased about 12 because one, I didn't want to be stuck whilst in my hair and then discovering, oh my god, it's not going to be enough. You don't need up to 12. For this hair I used about 7 or 8, and it is pretty full. So yeah, so this is it. The color I got was 1B and it is 18 inches, and I have enjoyed it because I've used it actually 3 times. So this is the 3rd time I'm installing it, and it's pretty easy to use. It comes with a let me see if I can get out one of the loops. I'll probably show you a clip of how it looks. It's pre-looped, so you just put one of the what's it called, the crochet needle, put it in through the hair, and it's a very straightforward process. This is what the needle looks like. Or is it needle? No. I don't know what this is called now, the crochet needle, and it came with this, which is great because I couldn't find my former one. I think the hair has worn well, considering that this is my 3rd installation. You can wash it if you want. It takes ages to dry. And if you want to wash it, I think you should just bunch it up and then just put it in shampoo and condition it. Don't try to do anything like this because that's going to destroy it. But other than that, it's been good. I enjoyed it, or I'm still enjoying it. I paid for 12 of them. I paid about £23. So that's pretty okay. That's like almost £2 for one pack. It took ages to arrive. I don't know if it's because of the pandemic, but it took almost a whole month. I'd even forgotten I purchased it, which is so annoying. But I guess, I mean, it's one of those things you purchase and wait for it to arrive. I haven't had any problems at all. The ends are, I think they're well twisted, so they don't unravel. They feel heavy. I'm going to say that now. They're not light. Well, they are light, but because you need a good number to have a sensible looking head of hair, it will feel heavy, especially on the first day that you've done the hair. So that's something to note. I was planning to do a voiceover, but unfortunately that's not worked out. So you'll just see the clips and some music, and I hope that's okay. If you have any questions about the installation or anything about the hair, just leave it in the comments box and I will reply as soon as I see it. So. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something new. If you like this video, like it, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.